In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up JustFit. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open JustFit application. You can see over here JustFit application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for get started. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to log in order to access your personal fitness plan. If you already have the account, what you have to do is simply log in to your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, tap on this option create account that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to create the account for yourself. First of all, what you have to do is enter your email address. Simply provide your email address over here. Now what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Your password must be more than 8 characters, so simply create a very strong password for yourself. Now after you create the password, what you have to do is check on this option that you can see on the screen. You're basically confirming that you have read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy. Now tap on the sign up option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your name. Provide your name. After you do that, tap on the next option. Likewise, you'll have to change your profile photo. Simply tap on this option, change photo. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to change the photo. You'll be able to take the photo or you'll also be able to choose from album. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to choose from the album. So simply tap on the photo that you would like to use. Now after you do that, you'll also be able to adjust the frame. Tap on the option save. Now tap on the finish option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to answer a few questions. You'll be able to see the questions related with your fitness goals, motivation and any problem areas. What you have to do is simply answer all the questions. Tap on the options of your choice and tap on the next option. Read the question very carefully and simply answer all the questions and tap on the next option. Continue doing it. Now you'll have to provide the data about your body. First of all, provide your height. You can see over here, you'll be able to select your height like this. After you're done, tap on the next option. Now what you have to do is select your current weight. Simply select the weight like this and tap on the next option. Likewise, answer other question as well. Now after you answer your questions, you can see over here, they'll create a personal plan for yourself. Now after you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, get my plan that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select the plan in order to continue. What you have to do is simply tap on the plan of your choice and tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, your 7-day free trial will be enabled. Now what you have to do is simply add your payment method over here. Tap on this option, add credit or debit card. Now go ahead and provide the card informations over here. Enter the card number. Likewise, enter the expiration date. After you do that, what you have to do is enter the security code. Also enter the cardholder name and provide the address and tap on the save card option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, the card will be added. Now once the payment method has been selected, your account will be created and you'll be able to get your plan. So like this, you'll be able to sign up JustFit. So that is how you sign up JustFit. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.